Hello, what is your name?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Euphemia Peralta.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
No kids, ma'am.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years, ma'am.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Singapore, ma'am.
Okay, and then?
I work in Singapore for 6 years in a nursing home to look after the elderly.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
I'm working for 2 years, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
They are living in Chimyi,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000 square feet.
How many family members there?
4 members, ma'am. 2
How-
adults and 2 kids.
Okay, how old the kids?
6 and 10 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock to prepare the breakfast for the kids. And then I will help the kids to prepare their school things and send them to their school bus. After that, I do the cleaning, laundry, and some ironing. And then prepare lunch for the kids. And then after in the afternoon, after the kids will come back from the school, I help them to do their homework. And then night time, 6 o'clock prepare foods for the kids, and around 7 o'clock dinner for my mom and son.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Mostly 9:30 to 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.